Hello everyone. So today we are going to make aloo paratha. Ah, who doesn't love it? So without further ado, let's dive into the recipe. So we will put some salt to this anta. We have also added the salt to the potatoes, so accordingly we'll add so that it doesn't become too much. And we'll start mixing this dough. Keep adding required amount of water that we need. The dough for aloo paratha has to be little loose than what we prepare for regular chapatis. So we have to make sure of that since the beginning. So this is how the consistency of the dough should be. Should be very loose. You can add some oil or ghee at this point. I'll add ghee. And just mix it together. So our dough is ready. You can see we have to make it this loose, okay? So now we'll keep it for rest for 15-20 minutes, and till the time we'll start with the potato stuffing preparation. To boil this potato, before boiling let's add some salt to it so that they boil quickly. So these are the boiled potatoes. We have removed the water from this, and now we are going to peel it off. Mash the potatoes. So we have mashed all the potatoes now. We're gonna add some onions finely chopped to this. If you do not like onion in aloo paratha, you can completely ignore it. Now we'll add some red chilies. Some salt. We have already added some salt while boiling, so we have to add accordingly. Now add some ginger garlic paste. You can also add only garlic. In fact, only garlic tastes much better. I have only ginger garlic paste today, so I've added that. Add some garam masala powder and red chili powder. Some amchur powder. around half a tablespoon. Some kasuri methi. And you can also add coriander leaves, finely chopped. But I don't have coriander at home today, so I'm adding this kasuri methi. Some pepper powder. And some jeera powder. So now I'll mix everything together. So stuffing is ready now. I can make parathas with this. So let's get started.